welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Regine Unique, and we are back again with another slay or whatever, you know what I'm saying. Go ahead and take 1.5 second out of your life to go ahead and click that subscribe button for me, boo. We are obviously blue today. We are reviewing a Divine Hair Rights 18-inch ocean blue Brazilian unit. I think this hair is absolutely beautiful. It's bouncy, it has volume. When I washed it, you guys, I did not get any blue residue or dye like inside of my sink or on my hands. These lace units from Divine Hair Rights are absolutely beautiful, okay? I have had little to no shedding, of course. This hair is absolutely bomb. It's soft to touch. Like, everything about this hair is just like hair goals. So if you've been looking for a bomb unit that's colored, Divine Hair Rights is definitely where to shop. It is a 13x6 lace frontal. It does have a lace in the back for, you know, if you wanted to melt that to the nape of your neck or to have a high bun ponytail. This unit is very versatile, and I'm just so glad that they blessed me with this unit. I'm a Libra, September baby, so you know that our color is sapphire blue, so they went ahead and sent that for me, and I'm so happy, so blessed. I get so many compliments with this hair, y'all. So many compliments. Like, no matter where I go or what I'm doing, I'm getting compliments with this hair color. I honestly didn't think I could pull it off, but you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I can rock any color. I can rock anything. Divine Hair Rights can do anything, period. So as you can see, it is true to length. I'm absolutely in love with this unit, y'all. It holds a curl very well. I have no product on this hair at all whatsoever, and it's holding my curls. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Regine Unique. Links are in my bio. Make sure you take a quick second to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you guys. I am growing my YouTube right now, and I would definitely love the support. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alrighty, so once you have your hair nicely braided down, I do like to go ahead and put on a dome cap or a stocking cap. Following, I like to cut off the nape of the neck lace first. Then we're going to take some eyeshadow. You can take eyeshadow, foundation. I like to use eyeshadow because it doesn't bleed through the lace, and I like to pat that on the lace just to tint the lace. We are now going to go ahead and just fit the wig on our head. Once I have a good feeling of like positioning and how tight or loose I want it, I then go ahead and cut the front of the lace while it's on my head, just so I can fit everything like perfectly. Make sure you take your time on this step. Alrighty, so once you have the lace cut to your desire, I like to go ahead and take my Got To Be Glue spray in the yellow can. This is a gel. This is not a glue, you guys. It will not take out your edges, so you can spray away. I like to do 3 layers of this, blow drying in between each layer on cool, not on high, because it dries faster. And once it's nice and tacky, I go ahead and position the wig on top of it and basically gel it down to my forehead. Alrighty, so now that it's time to position the wig on your forehead, I like to take it section by section and basically just move it up on the Got2b glue while taking my index finger and pushing it down at the same time, just to make sure that your unit is going to be secure. Those 3 layers of the Got2b glue will do the job, trust me. If you have any areas or parts of the wig that are not secure in the front with the lace, just take a little more Got2b glue and apply it. And make sure you rake your hands through it. Make sure you take a comb and comb it, just to make sure that everything is secure. I didn't really cut a lot of baby hair on this unit. I just did the sides. What I'm using right now is just some mousse, just to lay the edges down. I'm just swooping them back, and that's pretty much all I'm going to do for my baby hair. I am going to go off camera to curl my hair, and then we'll be ready for the finished look. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. This color is absolutely the bomb.com, boo, period. This is an 18-inch ocean blue Brazilian hair unit from Divine Hair Rice. It has a 13x6 lace frontal, and this hair is just like absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Like, listen. Like I said, you guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I absolutely love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.